Niall, can I ask you about that FAI resolution this weekend that was passed, that they're now going to submit a formal motion to UEFA urging them to ban Israel from international and European competitions? What do you make of that?
Of course, always in my time, you're always the answer from FIFA, UEFA and anything like this was there's no room for politics and we're a sport. But of course that changes, and it kind of changes and suits them whenever it does. I wouldn't like to offend anybody, but I mean, that whole situation has to come to a stop, and I think the world has to do something about it. I'm no expert on the whole conflict, but I'm not going to stand and say nothing either. It's dreadful what's happening. This is as bad as we've ever seen in our lifetime. Those of us who weren't around when World War II was on. I suppose I want to be a little bit careful too, Ciara, because I understand that there are tensions about this politically elsewhere outside of the FAI. But I do think through the power of sport, we can actually talk and have a loud voice. And whether UEFA or FIFA accept the responsibility or not, I'm kind of proud of Dan and the FAI for voting this in and giving us a chance to let a country know, an oppressor know, that enough's enough.
And would you support the players if they took a stance and said we are going to refuse to play Israel should that situation arise?
I can't see that actually happening. I can't see the association bowing to that level of demand. But I would absolutely back the players if it's an effort, a controlled effort to make sure that that Israel finds out that we've all had enough of what they've done.